Welcome to AI Applied with Nadia, where we show you useful AI hacks you can use today. Everyone is ditching ChatGPT for DeepSeek version 3. It's faster, cheaper, and it's open source. But here is the hard truth. You are driving a Ferrari like a golf cart. If you type lazy prompts into DeepSeek, you get lazy answers. It doesn't matter if the model has 671 billion parameters if your instructions are weak. Stop chatting with DeepSeek and start commanding it. Today, I'm showing you the engineering framework to unlock the power of DeepSeek version 3. To get the most out of this, you need to stop thinking of DeepSeek as a magic chatbot and start thinking of it as a junior intern. It's incredibly smart. It has read the entire internet, but it's a total people pleaser. If you ask a vague question, it will literally make things up just to keep you happy. For instance, I asked it to role play as my marketing director to review my writing, and it just wrote me a generic email that added zero value to my work. You have to give it a specific job description. I call this the RCC Framework. Let's break it down. The RCC framework requires three things in every single prompt. First, a role. Who is DeepSeek right now? Is it a Python expert, a marketing guru, a cynical critic, or a university professor? This sets the brain it uses. Second, context. Don't just say write code. Say, I am a beginner building a website for a business, write me a code. Context cuts the hallucinations in half. Third, constraints. This is the most important part. Tell it what not to do. For instance, you could limit the number of words or give it other constraints to make it focus better. Let's see this framework in action with a real world example. I've set up a split screen so you can see the difference in real time. On the left side, we have the lazy prompt. I'm just asking it, give me some tips for my Math 205 exam. Look at the results. It's working and it's giving me fortune cookie advice, but a really long list of what to bring to the exam, which I didn't really ask for. It's tips, active listening, practice, cheat sheets, stay hydrated, this and that. That isn't helping me pass my calculus exam. I already know these things. Now look at the right side. I'm using the RCC framework. I've told it to play the role of a strict calculus professor. For context, I'm telling it that I'm a Concordia University student studying integration for Math 205, and for constraints, I'm asking it to give me three hard problems, no solutions, and wait for my answer. Look at the difference. The lazy prompt gave me a generic list. The RCC prompt turned DeepSeek into a $100 an hour private tutor. This isn't just chatting anymore. This is software engineering with words. One quick pro tip for DeepSeek users. Look for the deep think toggle. When you give the model a complex role like a lead developer or a strategic consultant, turn this on. It forces the model to plan its chain of thought before it speaks. It takes a few extra seconds, but the quality of the logic is a massive level up. Let's now test your skills. Look at this prompt on the screen. Act as a senior developer. I need a script to scrape data from a website. One part of the RCC framework is missing, and without it, the code will likely break. Is it role, context, or constraint? Drop your answer in the comments right now. I want to see who's paying attention. Once you master the code of command for text, you have unlocked only 50% of what DeepSeek can do. But remember, the RCC framework isn't just for chat, it's a universal logic that works for everything from data analysis to image generation. If you find this useful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. In our next video, I'm going to show you how to turn a basic sketch into a cinematic masterpiece. Thanks for watching AI Applied with Nadia. See you in the next video.